Hi, my name is Vikintas and this is Caprice, 19-foot sailing boat on Climber Store. Thanks for watching. We're gonna tackle the mast. Right. Before we're lifting it up, we need to sort out this. Again, not sure how it's called, but one, this is fine. The other side is not really fine. So we're gonna have to remove this and remove this and rivet again, straighten up and rivet. So let's try to drill it out. There we go, one out. Two out. Can I just pull it out? There we go. So we got it out. Now straight it out. Straight it out. And stick it back. So we got this, we need to a little bit straighten up. So I think we got it. Just need to go and test on a boat. Should be kind of curvature because the mast is curved. We'll see. Right, next thing we got this spreaders, what I got one missing. So I got a new one. It's slightly, maybe a little bit different. 1 mil or 2 mil. But it's very hard to get one spare like this. So we're gonna go along with that. What we need to do, measure, cut there, and slice the groove like this. Like that. Whoa. Okay. Beautiful. There we go. Something like that. Fine. Now you need to try it. Awesome. Alright, we got this compound. Not sure what it does. Anti-corrosive. Let's send it everywhere. Alright, we got different rivets. Let's try again. Now we're talking. That's one. Whoopla. After a little fail, but got new rivets. This is, I think, a little bit messy, but all done now. Happy days. So, try put the mast on there. Never did it before. I really want to do it. I'm gonna roll time lapse. Maybe it's a good idea to see the fail. Go from other end. Better leverages than I can attach the thing and just lift it. Finally lifted mast. I'm still alive. Took me an hour. One down thing. Some of these ropes, a makeshift thing. Obviously I need to replace some ropes. There was one cut off lying around. Yeah. Can't believe. Oh, put the boom upside down. Live and learn. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. See you next time.